Kai sengicabangile ne azingidecide ukwenzani ukuthi le interview ngishaya ngesilungu. Just ngiyimanzise kancane ngithola ngesingambla ngiqinise kancane ngithola ngiyadala kai isilungu mina ngisikhuluma because English is not my mother's voice ngiyadala it's not my mother's tongue. Isilungu ngiyasazi mina bafethu. Hayi ngiphethe isitawu yazi ngitila ngiyita kuphela. Ngiphethe inja amsondela ungangisaba amantombazana wasabi. Ngiphethe izinja la nje ngizocela uzintroduce kuma viewers wethu ngegama nangesibongo utshela ama viewers wethu ukuthi uhlala va.
Sure, hayi balaleli igama lami nguGeorge wakaPhiri ngihlala eCloverton.
Okay George. So uGeorge uqale kanjani ukudlala ibhola yini into emotivated ukuthi adlale achubeke and ubani iplayer ukhule ubukela phansi kwalo?
La ngiqale khona ukudlala ibhola bekuse Whiteville bekhona elinye uGotmani beli coach kuBinoni Spurs la ngiqale khona ukudlala ibhola ngamotivate izinye bengidlala nazo abanye bakhona ethi abasekho abaningi bakhona la eKasi. Sure.
Okay, so sicela usele nomlando wakho. uGeorge udlalele mapha ama team weza nawo until manje?
eKasi or professional?
Konke nje umuntu uqale la wa professional wayakuphi kanjalo?
La ethi kusukela eKasi bengidlala ku Spain eCloverton. Then ngithe mangisuka ku Spain ngavane iOutama Steven saya Orange Farm ya Soweto bedlalela in academy but Orange Val professional. So sukela lapho sadlala academy I think 2 years. Then coach le academy ngivayisa ku Cosmos ngadlala ke laphayana season I think A1. Then ngasuka la ngaya ku Vest Juniors. Mangisuka Vest Juniors ngaya ku Highlands ngayiswa ile Outama Steven ngatryla khona. And then la sengibuya khona la eKasi ngithi ngizoncenga ngoba izinto bezingavigrant. Sure.
Okay George, you know George sometimes as a player ne uzothi use ground ube khona abantu abazokriticize indlela odlala ngayo bakukhuluma kabi and all that. So when as a player how do you prepare yourself for a game and how do you handle the pressure?
I-pressure into ekhona obviously ediskin yabo, especially kuma supporter. So into mele uyenze wena ushaya ispan sakhe egroundini unganaka abantu bangaphandle ngoba bazokugxekela phansi vele abanye bayenza ngamabomfu ukuthi bakhiphe egamini. Sure.
So i-pressure yena uyendlela kanjani?
I-pressure ibi khona. For me nesayidini lami i-pressure ibi khona ngoba sengize ngadlala ibhola isikhathi eside. So into esengijwayele vele ukuthi i-pressure into engengifaka engqondweni nami ukuthi ibulala igame yami.
Okay George, as umdlali webhola so let's say kufika into encane la kuwe ithi Grootman ngiyakubona udlala ibhola egroundini uthanda indlela odlala ngayo and nami ngidlala same position lo idlalayo but angazi ukuthi ngahendlela kanjani. So into encane ngayiguy advise uthini ukuze ikwazi ukumaintain le position?
Into engayisho ukuthi abe consistency ajime asebenze kanzima ukuze improve for kuleyo position le ukuthi aqhubeka enze izinto eziright ngoba angeke udlala idisk ungajimi leyo angeke yenzeke. Showcase.
So when George as a player personally ne iliphi iplayer okwadlala nalo elibest as a teammate, iliphi player okwadlala nalo as the hardest opponent and ubani player ongakaze wadlala nalo ongafisa ukudlala nalo as a teammate?
Babaya the best player ngeke ngadlala nabo ithi ngithi esikhathini samanje I think uGwegwe. Ngoba since ever ngaze ngadlala naye team one but ske ngadlala as opponent but manje umuntu engidlala naye best for isayidini lami I think uMagwegwe ngoba uyamotivateana like uyakhuthazana yabo. So far since ngifikile ku sniper maybe anginane 3 months but umuntu ongimbonile ukuthi no the Grootman le lakhuthazana and alukupheleli umoya. Sure.
So udlale nalo as the hardest opponent?
Usika
Tanzania.
Showcase.
Ongakaze wadlala nalo but ungafisa ukudlala nalo same club?
Ngakaze ngadlala naye. Oh. Maybe uSkrippy. Yeah, Chepa Skrippers.
So as you can't just play ibhola ngiyakithi my favor Proside. So uGeorge Proside eMzansi na Pro to favor mapha ama team.
La eMzansi ngibhakaniya ezidlala manje ngabo ngo3 or 3:30. Then outside iBarcelona.
Yazi into engile ngayi notice every time as interview abantu laba ba favor iPirates mara bakumele ba fill up istadium kuba iproblem. Kugcwala iChiefs I don't know ukuthi ngeChiefs kwenzakalana lokushini maybe abantu abathanda iChiefs abadlala ibhola bay favor kuphela I don't know guys. So George ngizokubuza like ama question athanda ukuba trick you know about the football ne. So let's say coach weBafana iliphi but sesiyakubuza ke manje ukuthi iliphi iplayer elikuBafana ongalikhipha ulireplace ngelinye. Okay, let's say iliphi iplayer engekho kuBafana ongathanda ukuthi libe khona kuBafana.
I think elingakaze laba khona.
No, like currently squad esibizo ucoach Hugo Bruce iliphi iplayer elingekho lapha kulama player wabizile wena ungathanda libe khona.
Thembi Nkosi Lodge.
So okay, let's say uyambiza ukhipha abantu ufaka uLodge.
Kule position yakhe I think umrim.
Sure.
Ayinizwile
guys lenkulumo ngidala ngizizwa ukuthi uLodge udeserve a call up. So you know someone lo ngitshe ukuthi ama soccer player are smart because it's not easy to uthatha ama decision egroundini ucabange it's not easy. So ngitshe ukuthi you know what ama soccer player are smart ngalezi zinto azenzayo. So ngifuna ukututsa kahle mina ukuthi ngempela really kwamampela ukuthi ama soccer player are smart. So ngizokubuza iquestion etricky la. So let's say umama kaGeorge unabantwana abayi4. Umama kaGeorge nabantwana abayi4 uEast uSouth uWest uba lobu us4 umama kaGeorge unabantwana abayi4 East South West
North
uthi North mara okay wrong my guy but sengizokutshela ngithe umama kaGeorge abantwana abayi4 which means uEast uSouth uWest no George.
Sure.
Hayi ngitholile. Yeah, anyway of the day for intwana zasekhaya edlala ibhola ukuthi sikhule grand indlela yabo ibe ne way forward ithi skin ungasitshela ukuthini anyway of the day.
Ukuhlonipha whatever lo oguidayo. Yeah, if futhi udlala idiski ujime hard kuze kusasa ube nekusasa eligrand. Showcase.
Mabrother yabonga for isikhathi sakho na. Majanja ya. Showcase. Yini ngedanga menzima ke la.